Hi, this is Gina Dizon with Taylor Morrison, and I'm about to give you a tour of the new Savoie. It is a sneak peek, part one. I want to give you a few quick tips before you visit my community reserve at Hickory Walk or any home under construction. Number one, you have to have an appointment. You can never go onto the job site because it's very dangerous. So always, 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 please make an appointment with me. Number two, you have to have closed-toed shoes in order to visit. And number three, the hard hat. Welcome to part one of the sneak peek of the new Savoie floor plan available in reserve at Hickory Walk. Let's take a peek. Here we are at the front entrance of the Savoie. Take note of the gorgeous farmhouse exterior with elements of metal roof across the top. Let's go in. Take note of the 10-foot ceilings that are standard on this main level in the Savoie. Also take note, sliding glass doors are an option that is available. It does open in a 2-story to above. It is incredible. Lots and lots of daylight. Soaring ceilings. From the great room, this is where the kitchen is located. And a gorgeous sunroom has been popped on. Creating a more sun-drenched main level area. I can't get over the soaring ceilings. It is stunning. So starting again from the kitchen that is open to this great room. Look. Again, that's going to be lots of storage. See how this house connects. And back into the dining room here. That is your flex room. Just kind of winds back around. Let's go beyond that and see what we have here. This is the 2-car garage. So coming in from the 2-car garage, looks like that's going to be a powder, a coat closet. And how easy would this be to bring your groceries in? Right into that pantry. Give you a view from here. And And again, starting from your front entry, the left, looks like you have a study. Coat closet. And then going into a bedroom on your main level. And from here, we are going to take a little walk upstairs. Beautiful how this room just opens up from the upper level. The right, we have a mechanical room. And wow, what a master suite. That sitting room has been popped on as an option. What an expansive owner's suite. Options for a freestanding tub, a closet, double vanity above there, this is one massive owner's suite. You have like a little catwalk. It looks over your great room, but also down near your foyer. Another bedroom. With your Jack and Jill bathroom. Down the hallway. There's your laundry room. Yet one more bedroom. There you have it. Part 1 of the tour of the Savoie. Stay tuned as we move through this home as it gets closer to completion.